Now 169 minus 25 will give us 144. It's equal to PR squared. Now, in this question, it reads, find the side PR in the diagram. Now, this is PR up here, and that is the diagram. This diagram is a right angle triangle because the triangle has a 90 degrees as one of its interior angle. So 90 degrees for right angle. And then the triangle having right angle makes it right angle triangle. We have been given two sides, 5 centimeters and 13 centimeters. We are asked to find one side. So we use the Pythagoras theorem. Don't forget Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle and because we are asked to find one side given two sides. This is our formula. The hypotenuse squared is equal to opposite squared plus the adjacent squared. This is a Pythagoras formula or theorem. Now, which one is our hypotenuse? 90 degrees point here, and this becomes our longest side. So since the 90 degrees point here, 13 becomes the hypotenuse. So QR is a hypotenuse, so 13 squared is equal to, now the opposite. Now please, to find the opposite in this diagram, you need to take your time. This time around, there has been a given angle. And this given angle is theta, which is also referred to as the angle under consideration. And theta is the symbol for unknown angle. So we don't know the value of the angle here, but we know it's a symbol, theta, or a variable. Now look at this. The side which will be directly facing the given angle will be the opposite. And our given angle here is theta. It is the angle under consideration. So the opposite will be PQ. So our opposite is 5. So we come with this 5 and we square it, plus the adjacent has also not been given because we are looking for the adjacent as PR. So it will be the variable or the side PR and square. Then we'll go ahead and make PR the subject. 13 squared will give us 169. Is equal to 5 squared is 25 plus PR squared because it is not having a value, so we maintain it. Now let's continue. There is a real number here and there's a real number. That means the constants are there. We'll move this constant from the right hand side to go and join this constant at the left hand side. And once there's an equal sign, when 25 moves in a positive nature, it will become a negative at the left hand side. So this is how we write it. 169. This one moves to become minus 25. Now close it up with the equal sign. Then the number remaining, which is the variable PR squared. That is what we are looking for. Now 169 minus 25 will give us 144. It's equal to PR squared. Since we are making PR the subject, we'll have to eliminate the square. And in the presence of an equal sign, the square can be eliminated with the help of the square root sign. So square root this side. Because there is an equal sign, you have to also square root the other side. Whatever you do at this side, do the same thing to this side of an equal sign. Now what does it do? The square root will cancel the square, and that is mathematical. So once it cancels, there will be no square root. But here, it is a constant number, so the square root of 144 will give us 12. It's equal to PR. So we can now conclude that therefore, the length PR is equal to 12 centimeters.